Good morning, y'all. It is 4:20 in the morning. Let's go to the gym.
I know that things have changed, but I promise you I'm the same. Feels good now you're in my space. It's alright. Scared of my mistakes. You're gonna think that I'm insane. I should not feel this shame, but it's alright. Guess that I've been feeling sad of everything we used to have. I wanna know where you've been. Come on, let a little love light in. Guess that I was kinda mad, thinking you were all I had. I wanna know where you've been. Come on, let a little love light in. We did your way, the dreams you always said that led you back my way. We're good now. You were in my past, never thought you were coming back. Two wrongs can make this last. We're good now. Guess that I've been feeling sad of everything we used to have. I wanna know where you've been. Come on, let a little love light in. Guess that I was kinda mad, thinking you were all I had. I wanna know where you've been. Come on, let a little love light in. For you, I'd do it all, no matter how many times you fall, because you're the only light that's shining. For you, I'd do it all, no matter how many times you fall, because you're the only light that's shining. Guess that I've been feeling sad of everything we used to have. I wanna know where you've been. Come on, let a little love light in. Guess that I was kinda mad, thinking you were all I had. I wanna know where you've been. Come on, let a little love light
The husband is on his way to work. Oh, why am I grabbing this? I usually do my little collagen smoothie, or not smoothie, milkshake thing. Mine, oh, he puts dishes that are still wet. Instead, I'm just going to do some cereal for Honey Nut Bunches of Oats or whatever. Finish everything off with a Chobani smoothie. Definitely think I need help keeping on track. So I'm going to start tracking things again. I had an applesauce pouch during my workout. To be careful because like I was just with serving sizes and such. 42 grams is a serving size of Honey Bunches of Oats. That's like 30 something grams of carb. I really like this Fairlife milk. I can't drink regular milk. It makes me go to the bathroom really bad, but this is lactose free and it has 13 grams of protein, which is lovely. Okay, that's gonna be my breakfast. Then I'm gonna have a smoothie on the way to work and I have my coffee. So I'm gonna hurry up and let's go. So I'm ready for work. I'll show you guys my outfit for today. Can you see? Are two of my favorite things. I love these Samba shoes from Adidas. They're like a little bit taller than the Sambas. I would size down a half size. This is like a 7. I usually wear a 7.5. These pants are the Curve Love ultra wide leg jean from Abercrombie. Also one of my favorites. It's super comfy. I just have it with a tank top and this cardigan I've had for so long. It's like an old one from Loft and I never got rid of it. And yeah, So that is what I'm wearing today. Bye, Bubs. I love you. I love you, honey bear. I'll be back in a little bit. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the plan for today, I'm heading into the office, and then I have a dentist appointment in a little bit, so I will go there and then finish the day here at home. So let's go. Hi, Jamie. Doing well. How about yourself? Okay, good. Hopefully this call will make things a little bit better. Thank you all so much for taking the call with us today. Just to finish off that thought, maybe we can connect after the call. Just wanted to connect. As you guys have seen in the past several days of our email exchanges, there are 2 payments that have to go out ASAP within the old instance procedures or what they had performed to confirm the bank information. I wanted to connect with you guys and see if you needed to run it through the purpose of today's call. You guys have any feedback for us? Okay, one fire is almost out and my appointment starts in 10 minutes and I got TT. But I fully appreciate flexibility. Like, this has been super helpful. Like, I tried to reschedule this dentist appointment and I couldn't because they didn't have any other openings for the rest of the year. So anyways, very much appreciate flexibility. Okay, I'm getting on a call with one of my team members. Isn't this such a cute background for a call? Luckily, I'm not going to be on camera. Had my afternoon puppy. How's it going? Going okay. The past few days right up in that hole. Always fun to have something kind of shift focus when we are in the middle of a deadline. Did you get a chance to take a look at that? That sounds good. Are there any updates since we last chatted, or you have any other questions? Hi, Bubs. No, he hates getting picked up like a sack of potatoes right now. He really doesn't like to be picked up. You don't like getting picked up, huh? Are you saying, Mama, I'm a distinguished gentleman. I don't get picked up like that. Are you okay? Oh, it's okay, puppy. Did you get shy? It's okay, puppy. Such a sweet baby boy. Oh my heavens. Who's Mommy's baby boy, huh? Who's my baby boy? Oh my goodness. You want to say hello? I love ya. Okay. Gentle. Gentle. Okie dokie, so I am done with the workday now, and now it's time to meal prep for the hubby. So he's gonna be 50 next year. I know. Oh, like, damn. No, just kidding. I love you. You know that sound where it's like Kevin Hart, where someone says something about like their age and he goes, damn. Sorry. That's how I have to be. But, age is just a number, y'all. But anyways, but this man, in order for him to stay like healthy and, looking the way that he looks, honey, he takes good care of himself. Personally enjoy his discipline. One thing that you can tell about someone's lifestyle and kind of like how that ties into their values. Y'all know me, I don't eat like super clean and healthy and stuff like that like all the time. But I think there's something to be said about people who are disciplined, who are able to follow something, and it's because they want to. It's like no one else is forcing them to walk a certain path, like they personally want to do that. That's something that I find super, super attractive. Like, I don't want to have to be anyone's mother, honey, other than actual children. Yeah, it's refreshing. But anyways, one thing I would have told my younger self, way that someone conducts themselves in their life, that's what you should look at as far as what their values are versus just what they're saying with their mouth. Because if I had done that when I was younger, I wouldn't have taken certain paths or stayed on certain paths as long as I did. Everything in life will teach you something. So I'm just sharing that because if I could tell my younger self that, that's what I would have told her. So I'll tell y'all because I love y'all. Okay, so let's meal prep for him. Why? Because I like to take care of my man too. And you know, you better be washing your rice, honey. If I'm gonna teach you anything, wash your rice.
We just clicked like a switch. I felt that such less losing time with you.
We're gonna make a fork. Okay, I'll get it here in a second.
Feeling safe at though. When you don't like the weather, you could really borrow my sweater. I'd rather be cold as ice. If you all want, we don't care whatsoever. Yesterday was so much better. I'd rather be cold as ice. If you
Okay, this is the final piece.
wait, see to see everything how it should be.
Is it dark enough? Right. Okay.